Hello and welcome to Hybrid Super Auto. The Lamborghini Urus has long been a symbol of opulence and power in the world of high-performance luxury SUVs. The renowned German tuning business MANSORY, on the other hand, has pushed the Urus to an entirely new level of grandeur and performance with their latest invention, the MANSORY Venatus Evo. This remarkable SUV, limited to only 10 units globally, not only features an exclusive production run, but also guarantees an unrivaled driving experience. We'll delve into the beautiful minutiae of the MANSORY Venatus Evo in this video, exploring its design modifications, performance advancements, and, of course, savoring the symphony of its engine with a spine-tingling sound display. The striking and forceful design language of the MANSORY Venatus Evo quickly captivates. MANSORY is known for pushing the envelope, and the Venatus Evo is no exception. The carbon fiber body package is expertly built, transforming the already stunning Urus into an aerodynamic and aesthetic marvel. The wider fenders, revised front fascia, and distinctive carbon fiber hood create an eye-catching visual extravaganza. Every curve and contour appears to be intentional, not just for show, but to improve the SUV's performance on the road. One can't help but be impressed by MANSORY's meticulous attention to detail, with no detail overlooked. The characteristic Y-shaped LED daytime running lights, which are integrated into the redesigned front bumper, offer a futuristic touch while retaining the Urus's unmistakable identity. The rear end is as captivating, with an aggressive diffuser, a roof-mounted spoiler, and a quad exhaust system that allude to the massive power lurking beneath the hood. The MANSORY Venatus Evo exemplifies the company's dedication to pushing the boundaries of automobile design, offering a visual masterpiece that is indisputably eye-catching. Underneath the visually striking facade hides a performance beast ripe for the taking. The MANSORY Venatus Evo is about more than just looks. It's about pushing the Lamborghini Urus's performance to new heights. MANSORY's engineering prowess provides a significant power boost to the 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine. The figures are astounding, an increase in horsepower and torque that turns the driving experience into something absolutely thrilling. As soon as you sit in the driver's seat, you're immersed in an atmosphere that combines elegance with a race-inspired sensation. The MANSORY Venatus Evo's interior is a demonstration of extravagance, with an outstanding blend of premium materials and unique craftsmanship. Every surface is adorned with the finest leather, alcantara, and carbon fiber accents, creating an environment that indulges the senses. The ergonomically designed sports steering wheel, custom pedals, and MANSORY-branded components remind the driver that they are driving a really unique machine. MANSORY's attention to detail can be found in the delicately embroidered headrests, unique floor mats, and special carbon fiber trim throughout the cabin. The cabin configuration is as exclusive as the limited production run, ensuring that each owner enjoys the pinnacle of luxury tailored to their specific tastes. MANSORY has created an interior that not only complements the aggressive exterior, but also lifts the Lamborghini Urus to the world of bespoke automotive art. The genuine character of the MANSORY Venatus Evo, on the other hand, can only be completely comprehended when the engine roars to life. You're in for a treat in this video as we bring you an exclusive sound presentation of this remarkable SUV. The enhanced exhaust system's symphony, paired with the guttural growl of the twin-turbocharged V8 engine, provides a soundtrack that sends chills up the spine. The pops and crackles on gear shifts, deep bass notes at idle, and acceleration crescendo all combine to an audio experience that complements the visual spectacle of the MANSORY Venatus Evo. Pay particular attention to the meticulous craftsmanship, the performance advancements, and, of course, the spine-tingling sound of the MANSORY Venatus Evo as we take you on a virtual tour of this limited edition masterpiece. Join us as we investigate why this SUV has acquired the title of Wildest SUV by MANSORY. Every aspect of the MANSORY Venatus Evo is a celebration of automotive engineering and design, from the sleek carbon fiber body kit to the meticulously crafted interior and the thunderous roar of the enhanced engine. This film promises an immersive experience inside the world of one of the rarest and most stunning SUVs ever made, whether you're an enthusiast, a connoisseur of luxury, or simply someone who enjoys the remarkable.